Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Bitget to Solflare. So first thing you're going to need to do is open your Solflare Wallet. And then from here, just tap on the receive button. And then from here, just copy the address wallet. So just tap on that copy. And then once you're done copying the address, go to your Bitget wallet. And then just log into your account. From here, tap on the assets at the bottom right and then tap on spot at the top, and now you'll see all these tokens. So since we're going to transfer Solana, just search for Solana or Sol. Now once you have tapped on the Solana, tap on the on-chain withdrawal, and then from here just fill in all these informations, and then in the wallet address just paste the link address that we've copied earlier. And then for the amount, just put any amount that you wish to withdraw. And once you have checked everything, just tap on withdraw. And then that's pretty it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye!